So good evening to all. Hope everyone is doing good. So as we discussed, we'll be doing daily updates on Nifty and Bank Nifty. So we'll try to discuss all the levels for the coming day. So today also we'll try to analyze completely on different time frames about Nifty and Bank Nifty, especially for intraday point of view and mainly swing trading also. You can get the complete idea where the index is trying to go. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified. Okay, so firstly, we'll try to discuss about Nifty Bank. So you can see today the indices have come down, especially Bank Nifty has seen a little bit of heavy correction around 1.3%. So currently it is trading around 48,500. And if you see the candlestick pattern of weekly chart also, you can see a continuous uptrend is visible in the index. But a very important resistance is seen around 49,500. So multiple times, previously also almost 3 weeks continuously we have seen rejection around 49,500. So almost 1,000 points away from the current levels. So you can see that is going to be a very strong resistance for the swing traders who are looking to create an aggressive buy position. So only above 49,500, if a candle closes above that level, so we can go for a bullish momentum. And similarly on the downside direction, the important support for the coming days is going to be 48,500. So the current level is also going to be very important. So in case over the coming days, the Bank Nifty, if it is breaking the 48,500, the next important support is 48,000 and next important is 47,000. So these are the swing trading levels. So if any person who has taken a swing position, so make sure you keep these two levels in the downside as your targets, and in the upside you can take a very strong resistance around 49,500. So if you clearly observe the daily chart also, the index is basically going very smoothly with forming higher highs and higher lows. You can see clearly the pattern is very clear. So now you can see today's last 2 days candles. So clearly red candles are visible. So according to my expectation, index can test the 48,000 level before the election results, and depending upon the results we might see a good movement in the index. So keep the levels in radar, but in case if it is breaking 48,000, slightly you need to be cautious and don't build any aggressive positions in the Bank Nifty index. So this is on daily chart, and today's movement also, if you see, we have seen a strong inverted hammer candle in the opening itself, the 1 hour session itself. So that was clearly a bearish indication, and once it broke the day low, sellers have accelerated the momentum and it has closed around 48,500. So keep the levels in radar. So for intraday point of view, you can see 48,250 as a very good support if you're a very rigorous trader. So keep that level in radar, but main levels 47,500, 47,000. So keep those things in your radar. So now let's get into the Nifty analysis. Okay, so coming towards Nifty, so Nifty also today we have seen some downfall as compared to Bank Nifty. Nifty slightly little less downfall was there, 0.8% downfall, and 183 points it has come down. 22,704 is the closing of the Nifty 50 index. So we know already it has given a very good breakout but couldn't sustain there. Now you can see today's weak candle is slightly showing a bearish indication and it is coming below the resistance line. So slightly sellers are there as of now, both indices, not specifically talking about Nifty 50 because election results are there, so anything can happen. So mainly BJP government has some majority, but in case it goes here and there, we might see a heavy selling as well. So you need to be very cautious when you're trading, especially. And daily chart also, if you see, this was the main support level, you can see here, and one is resistance here. Support was around 21,000, you can take roughly around 22,000 was a very strong support on the daily chart, and resistance wise you can see 22,700 is a very good resistance. So now slightly it is trading on and near the support level itself, because the previous resistance is now the support. So make sure you are very cautious here, but in case if it breaks this level also, then we might see a small selling till 22,500. So that is also a very crucial support. So before that we might see the results also. Again from there we might see a trending directional move. So be ready for that. So 22,500 is a short term support for index, and long term support is 22,000 level. And resistance wise, 23,000 is the near term or short term resistance. So keep these two things in your radar. So this was the complete analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty. So hope everyone understood it. So any further queries you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching.